Hi my friends, it's Maya and I'm coming to you with another video, and we're going to show you how to make jello pudding in less than 5 minutes. This is a good dessert to have if you're under quarantine as I am and you're looking for something quick and simple and easy. This is a great thing to do. Okay, jello pudding in under 5 minutes. Now if you're cooking with children, this is a great recipe to do as well. It's, as I said, it's simple. I'm just opening the package. Less than 5 minutes. It's a great activity. So I'm just going to use just milk. Okay, this is just 2% milk, and then all I need is 2 cups of milk. So I'm going to pour it in, and it's at 2 cups of this is cold milk actually, guys. 2% cold milk, 2 cups. Okay, and then I'm going to put the package in. It's simple, and this is only $1 from the any supermarket, usually cheap, and it's served up to 4 people. Okay, so I'm going to beat this for 2 minutes. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Lucky thing it wasn't plugged in. Perfect. Okay, so let's plug this in and beat for 2 minutes. So give me a chance and I'll get back to you when I'm finished beating. There goes, my friends. We've beat this pudding for 2 minutes. It's nice and thick. As you can see, it's just dripping off the spoon. Nice and thick, and this is ready for you to serve. Now if you want this to be a little bit firmer, you can leave it out for 5 more minutes out like this, or you can put it in the freezer for another 5 minutes, but this is good to go. Okay, it's, as I said, it's a 5 minutes recipe. If I'm sure you're under quarantine just like I am. This is a great meal to use. This is a great dessert to make. Only 5 minutes, and this is jello vanilla pudding. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better.